Welcome to the PeopleSoft Contract Requisition Processing training. In order to proceed, we recommend that you have previously viewed the PeopleSoft Requisition Processing tutorial. You should have a copy of the PeopleSoft CAR Requisition Processing training manual handy for reference and making notes. This course provides instruction on setting up CARs in PeopleSoft using the requisition module. This procedure is being implemented so that the CAR funds can be pre-encumbered. Upon completion of this course, participants will understand the CAR requisition process and structure, be able to create an express requisition for contracts, understand which valid field values and categories are appropriate for CARs. Let's go to PeopleSoft so we can create an express requisition. Here's the navigation. Go. Administer procurement, requisition items. Use, express requisitions, express requisition, add. Business Unit 10199 will automatically default and the requisition ID of next will appear. Do not change any information in this window. The system will automatically assign a requisition number once it is saved. Click OK to continue. In the header section, the requester will default to your name. Click the green flashlight to look up a vendor. On the search criteria panel, at name, with caps lock key depressed, enter vendor's name or part of the name. An important tip. Use the % wildcard search character before or after the vendor name to search for any vendor with the keyword in the name. Click Sparky the dog to the right to populate the related vendors in the search results section below. After locating the vendor, select the vendor by clicking the green checkmark. This will take you back to the Express Rec panel with vendor information populated to the right of the green flashlight. Click the drop-down arrow at Buyer to select Valdivia Anna Laco. When processing CARs, this is the only buyer name you will select. Click the drop-down arrow at Ship To show the valid values window. With the caps lock key depressed, search for and select Contracts. When processing CARs, Contracts is the only valid Ship To value. At the Account Distribution section, if the account will be entered manually, leave the selection for Distribute By as Q. Click on Fund. Enter the fund for the selected account and press Tab. Continue to enter each segment, then tab to the next. Please see the PeopleSoft Requisition Processing video training for information if you will be using speed charts to populate the account distribution. In the Line Item Details section, at Long Description, click on the magnifying glass to open the window to enter the contract description in the following order. A. Service contract dates, then B. Contract description found on the CAR. UOM, or Unit of Measure, should be EA for each, unless instructed otherwise. At Category, double-click or press F4 function key to display the valid values window. Use one of the categories indicated in the table and click OK. No other categories are appropriate for CARs. Always make sure the category object matches the object code used in the rec. At Quantity, enter the dollar amount of the contract. At Price, you should always enter $1. Press Tab to populate the amount. Press the Process Edits icon. Requisition Edit process will be initiated. Click Sparky the dog to refresh the panel. You may receive messages stating the status of the process, from queued to initiated to processing. Click OK. Once the Rec Edit process is completed, the page will be refreshed and the Process Edits icon will be grayed out. Requisition ID number will display at the top of the panel. The BCM icon will become active. Click the Budget Check button to validate accounts. If the account is valid, a prompt message shall be received. The requisition successfully met budget checking requirements. Do you want the panel refreshed? Click Yes. If the account is invalid, navigate to the Budget Control Exceptions panel to review the error. Once you have processed edits on the requisition, you can add attachments. Scan a copy of the CAR form that has been signed by the division director before forwarding it for additional signatures. Save the scanned CAR as a PDF file in your C LACO directory. Access the Attachments tab on the Express Requisition. Click on the List Documents icon. Click the Attach button next to the file name of the car you wish to attach. Click the Save Refresh Documents button to save the attachment. The name of the file attached will be displayed next to the View icon. Clicking the View magnifying glass icon allows you to see and print the attachment. At the Express Requisition tab, click the Print button to start the print process. The message "Your requisition is being forwarded to Adobe Acrobat for printing. Please wait while it gets generated." Click OK. The requisition should open in PDF format in order for you to print. At the Express Requisition tab, click the Send Rec for Approval button to send the requisition to approver. The message, "Are you sure you want to forward the selected requisition for approval?" Click Yes. The requisition will be forwarded directly to the Contracts unit. You can check the workflow status by going to the Rec Approval History panel from the Inquire menu. Here's the navigation: Inquire, District Requisition Details, Rec Approval History. Because you selected one of the categories used specifically for car requisitions, this requisition has been forwarded directly to the Contracts unit for approval. Please note, if a copy of the car approved by the director is not attached to the requisition, the Contracts unit will deny the requisition and send it back to the requester to attach the appropriate documents. The paper car form should be routed for approval at the same time the PeopleSoft requisition is initiated. Include a printed copy of the requisition when routing the car form. Once the Contracts unit receives the fully approved car form, they can approve the requisition and submit for the report of contracts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to contact Internal System Support. You can reach us by emailing iss@lakeco.edu. Thank you.